This is the Hurricane Turning Tools Cryocut half-inch captive ring cutting tool, model number HTT-538. Discover the perfect combination of quality and affordability with Hurricane Cryocut wood turning tools. Each tool is made from cryogenically treated M2 high-speed steel, increasing wear resistance by up to 3 times while still maintaining the superior sharpness properties of M2 steel. This enables you to spend more time turning and less time sharpening. Each HTT 538 is a half an inch wide with a thickness of 1/4 inch. The solid beach handle is 12 inches long for a total length of 19 inches, providing you with balance and control while still maintaining maximum comfort. This tool is specifically designed for turning captive rings on the lathe and is perfect for both beginners and experienced wood turners alike. Whether you're working on intricate details or shaping substantial projects, let Hurricane Cryocut wood turning tools help you achieve perfect results every time.